Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have more tools than I can handle. So I got this here. This is a tool bag and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. There's nothing else in the box at the moment. I'll just put the box up here. Place that of view. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So let's open this up and I will show you. So it definitely folds up to a nice little compressed size if you need that, but I'm gonna guess mine's gonna get full pretty quickly and then it's always gonna stay full. Let's aim you down here and you can see it. So this is what it looks like here. Open it up. And you've got a nice huge mouth opening here on that. We've got a handle here and it'll connect up to there so you can there, like a carabiner style, like that. So I can hold it like this with me if I need to. It's got nicely velcroed pockets here with a good bottom in there. I always feel the bottom of it just to see if I put screws and nails and stuff in there, how's it gonna go? So if you have little things in there, they might get stuck in the bottom, but they're not gonna fall out. Here as well, it might be a little bit challenging to get some of those out, but it seems like a very good fit. The Velcro is nice. It's not hard to do, so it's nice for that. I'm gonna leave this open here for a second, and then on the side, we have a couple of pouches here, so keep things in there. I usually keep some stuff hanging off the side, but these are nice pockets as well. I mean, you can put stuff in there. I wouldn't put the knife facing down, but you know, that's that. Probably if I did put it facing down, it's not even gonna cut it. It's like really strong material. And then here we have some more these ones here are double pockets. So we've got a pocket and then these ones here. So lots and lots of screwdrivers and other pieces and parts on that side there. And then on this end here, we have a couple more double pockets and that. So these are, you know, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of those types of pockets. So that's really cool. On the inside here, we have some, you know, places to put stuff here, 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 here. We got 3 on each side and then the 2 big ones on the ends. And then we have the huge cavity in the middle for stuff. And then once it's all loaded up with whatever we put in there, I don't even know what I've got here. I don't know if I want to put shampoo in there, but okay. So then it'll be, you know, it does keep the form here, so you're able to fit a lot of stuff and still be able to zip it closed. So that's what I was kind of looking at here. So I've got a lot of things. If I wanted to use this and Velcro it up here so it's a little closed, carry it that way, I can. It's really nice, really heavy duty. It's by FewNvWa. So that's it there. The zipper works nice, so that's good. And I can take out my items. And there we go. So really cool. So this is gonna go down in my toolbox. I'll probably end up keeping some of my rechargeable drill and batteries and things like that in this one here. And then a bunch of screwdrivers and stuff all around there. So very cool, thumbs up.